We're about to install the brand new Switchback frame lights, the newest product on the market. 5 rows of the brightest pure white LEDs on these things. But every time you hit your turn signals, each side of your truck is going to blink in amber. In the box, you get your control module, 2 54-inch LED strips, or 4 depending on what size kit you get. Adjustable brightness, bunch of strobing, aviation grade aluminum connectors right here. And this super important bunch of wires here, which you're actually gonna be tapping into the turn signal wire. I'm gonna show you guys just how fast this is to do. Then I'm gonna show you how crazy this shit looks at night. Step number 1, we're just gonna take the control box and attach it to your battery. All right, positive connection there, negative connection there. There's gonna be 2 different lengths of wiring coming off of the control box. The shorter wire is gonna go on the same side as the battery. Now with the rest of the wires here, you can see they're labeled left and right. These are gonna get tapped into the headlights right here. So once you have your headlight out like this, you're gonna wanna locate the turn signal bulb right here. And in the back of the turn signal harness, we already have a wire tapped into there because we already have the 12-row wheel lights on there, and we tied it into this green wire right there. You see that? Before we put this onto the frame, you gotta clean that thing up super good. We got this thing nice and centered under there. That's about where it's gonna sit underneath the truck. Installation is complete. It's literally the daytime right now. And this thing is already putting down freaking light on the ground, you guys. And now we wait for the night.